grips with interpersonal relationships and telling the story from a really human level as opposed to a big operatic way. I mean, obviously there's like moments of really big drama as well, but I think that's been quite fun to find, but difficult.
It allows you to discover deeper and deeper layers in the meaning of the text and the way that the text and the music interact. And these actually incredibly subtle distinctions of meaning that suggest a whole world for that character of what they're thinking about, which might, not be what they say. And sort of gradually scratching away the surface in rehearsal and covering those things.
I mean, it's textbook. It's like interrogating text in a much more like, you have to delve into subtext and what isn't said so much more. I haven't done as many operas, so I've really loved that because it's what I find really interesting, like delving into like stuff with the language too.
Yeah, lots of German.
Lots of German.
I mean,
you're fluent now, right?
I'm fluent in the Flying Dutchman.
Yeah.